Okay, so front under tray, floor off. Let's see, these are your radiator packs. The brake ducts going into the front bumper. There. As you can see, they come through. You can see brake ducts here. Another radiator pack. We've got air jacks. This is the compressor for the gearbox air shift. All this pipe work's got to come off. Air conditioning has got to be all the gas taken out. This whole assembly comes out in one big piece, so all of this pipe work, and that includes brake lines. These are aircon, coolant, air jacks, whatever. This whole thing comes out because when you get to here, because this frame has to come out, it has to drop past. So you've got to take this whole thing out, drop it all down in one massive assembly. All good fun.